Very exciting day today. Here we are at Design 10.
We're going to choose out our kitchen and bathrooms for our house. Let's go inside and check out all of their range.
Hey,
Guys, welcome to Design 10.
Oh, thank you. This place
is amazing.
Yeah, it really is, thank you.
Yeah, it's like your one-stop shop for renovating. You got your bathrooms, you got your kitchens. I saw you got cladding outside, you got bricks.
Yep, absolutely. Internal and external.
I don't know where to look first.
I know. Well, how about we take you over here and we'll have a look at some bathroom
That'd
stuff.
be amazing. Let's
Come
do
on.
it.
Okay guys, so this is one of our principal display kitchens.
Yeah, wow.
So all of the cabinetry is Australian made.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, really good quality. They pride themselves on that.
I like the profile doors. I think that's probably what we're going to go for.
Yeah, the shaker profile. It's like a nice satin white. So
Yeah, no, I really like. I love the strip lighting too underneath here.
yeah, absolutely. So it actually works on a sensor. I'm not sure if you guys have seen. We can actually turn it on and off.
Yeah, wow.
It's running hand. Yeah, so really
How fast is
handy of
Yeah.
an evening.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
especially when you don't want to put the really big overhead lights on.
Yeah, no, that is really cool. Yeah.
So you reckon we can go and have a look on the computer and show you our
Yeah.
measurements and see if we can get a bit of a design happening for us?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that'd be
Let's
great.
go. Let's
Thank
have a look. So here we are, guys, and this is our Principal Kitchens 3D design tool to
Yeah,
give
wow.
you guys a better idea of what this kitchen's actually going to look like.
And I guess you can sort of move and change things around easily. Can we actually use this program ourselves? Like if we want to,
Just go to the Principal website and the 3D tool is on there ready for you to use. You can use it at home. Yep, just the measurements and give yourself a little bit of an idea of what you want. Bring it in and we can have a play and figure it out together.
That's amazing.